Hi, welcome to the SAR Universe YouTube channel. Today I am going to explain CNC turning programming in linear feed move or linear interpolation. In my previous video, I already explained what is G01 linear feed move. Now I am going to explain CNC turning program with example. Let me show you. Please follow me. This is the drawing. This part I will do in turning program. This part is clamped through CNC lathe chuck. This is the jaws of the chuck. This part is clamped through these jaws, clamping jaw, we can say. This is 3D drawing. This step dia is 30 mm, this step dia is 40 mm, and the third step dia is 50 mm. This step length is from this point to that point 35 mm, and second step length from this point to that point 45 mm. Total length from this point to that point 80 mm. This is the turning tool. Okay, now I am going to show this 3D drawing in 2D. Please see. This is 2D drawing. You can see like that. I think you will understand properly. This first step, dia 30, length 35 mm. You see here. This is 2D drawing. This first step, dia 30 and length is 35 mm from this point to that point. Then second step, dia 40 mm and length 45 mm. You can see here. Dia is 40 and length 45 mm from this point to that point. Total length is 80 mm from this point to that point. Okay, and this step, third step, dia is 50 mm. You see. Okay, now one by one step I am going to explain you. Please see the video with full attention. Okay, first I create the program number O0123. This is program number. Okay, now I am explaining you the program through 2D drawing. I think you will understand properly. Okay, first N1 is sequence number. Rapid mode G28 means reference point written via U0.0, W0.0, U corresponding to X and W corresponding to Z. Tool reference to home position means all axis reference to home position. T0101 tool index to T1 and offset number 1. T01, this 01 means tool number 1 and this 01 means offset number 1. Please don't be confused. Then next line of block G50 spindle speed 1800 means maximum spindle speed 1800. G96 spindle speed 250, M03 constant speed. This G96 means constant speed. And spindle rotation in clockwise direction. M08 coolant on. M08 is a miscellaneous function we are using for coolant on. Then you see rapid mode X32 Z2.0 bring tool near the position of part means you can see here. Now tool is position point to point position near the part means tool is position here. You can see this dia is 30 and now tool position 32 mm means like that, and Z plus 2 mm. Now tool position is here means tool position in free space, not touching of the part. If you will touch the part in rapid mode, tool insert will be broken. So first our priority is tool movement will be in safety. Now this line of block, you see, uh, one second, linear feed move G01, Z0.0, feed 0.1, feed the tool. Now tool is feeding here, means tool is here. And next line of block, linear feed move G01 x minus 2.0, facing operation. Now I'm doing facing operation, means this whole facing operation, means you first, now I'm going to clear, you know, this one is z axis, this one is x axis. Tool moving process in z axis, z minus direction and x plus direction is here. Tool cutting process, x positive direction and z negative direction, because you can see from this point to right side z plus, and from this point to left side z minus axis. As same from this point to upward x plus direction, from this point or origin to downward minus x axis direction. Okay, now you see the step turning in the next line of block. Okay, this facing operation is completed, means now tool position is here. Now you see the next line of block, rapid mode, means point to point positioning or rapid move in free space, x30 z2.0, tool near face for step turning, means now tool is here. You see the tool is here. Then you come linear feed move z minus 35, z motion for first step. Now this first step turning operation is completed. Now tool position is here, means z minus 35. You can see this is the origin, you can see this is the origin, means here z0.0 x0.0. now z axis move to here, means first turning operation is completed. Now you see next step, G01 x40, linear feed move x40, x motion for second step, means for this step, this this step operation is completed. Now tool position is here. Now you see linear feed move z minus 80, z motion for second step, means now z motion for second step is completed. Now tool is here. Again you see linear feed move x50, x motion for second step in position, means this second step position is completed. Now x motion is here, means this surface, this face cutting process is completed. You see rapid mode x55 z10, tool safely out from the finished part, means tool was there, now safely out from this part. Now tool, you assume tool is positioned here. Okay, then you see M09 is a miscellaneous function M code. This code is using for coolant of M05 spindle stop. Rapid mode G28 reference mode return, where U0.0 W0.0 reference to home position, all axis going to home position. M30 code means program in and rewind. Okay, please like this video and hit the bell icon. Again I'm going to explain you this program. If any doubt, definitely your all doubt will be clear. Okay, one time I again going to explain you. I need to remove this unwanted thing is. You see. N1 is this is program number O0123, N1 sequence number, reference to home position. This line of block means reference to home position. This line of block means tool index 2 T1 and offset number 1. Maximum spindle speed 1800, constant speed 250, spindle rotation in clockwise direction. M08 coolant on, and rapid move X32 Z2.0. Tool position is here. Now tool position is here. Then again, now you see linear feed move Z0.0, feed 0. Feed the tool. Now tool is feeding is here. Then you see next block G01 X-2 facing operation. Now this facing operation is completed. Then rapid mode X30 Z2, tool near face for step turning. Now tool is here near face for step turning. You see linear feed move Z-35, Z motion for first step. Now means first step turning is completed. Tool is here. Linear feed move X40, X motion for second step. Now this X motion for second step. This step operation is completed. Now tool is here. Linear feed move Z-30, Z motion for second step. Now this Z motion for second step. This second step operation is completed. Now tool is here. Linear feed move X50, X motion for second step in position. Now for this second step in position, this step facing operation is completed. Rapid mode X55 Z0, tool safely out from the finished part. Means tool was there, now safely out from this part. You assume tool is here. M09 coolant off, M05 spindle stop. Rapid mode G28 reference point return via U0.0 W0.0, means reference to home position. All axes and tool all are going to home position. M30 program in and rewind. Please like this video and hit the bell icon and subscribe my channel. If any doubt, please write in comment section. I will reply you, or I will make another video. Thanks for watching.